I want to see if I can help with this process. You're all on a coaching program, and in my mind, coaching is simply described like this: it's mastering your mind. I think that's what it is. If I were to really describe it in a very, in a nutshell, it's about mastering your mind. If you can master your mind and keep it on the empowerment energy as opposed to disempowerment energy, right? And we all have both of them going on at times. It's keeping your mind empowered and getting to know what keeps you empowered, which is about the self-awareness that you will be going through this program. And like Melanie said, being open that there is another way of thinking and another way of doing that will give your clients and you a bigger and more important outcome, right? So it's to your benefit and to your client's benefit. So coaching is about mastering your mind. So if you're saying, I don't have enough time, I know as a coach, when I work with my clients, that is not the truth. Elham, it is not the truth. That is what you are describing your situation, and you have the power of changing that situation if you change you. So part of this process, I would say the most important part of this process is, what is it that you are going to develop into? Where is the growth for you? And that will support what Will said about developing others. The most successful coaches I know have coaches, because they know that at all times for us to grow, we will have blind spots, and that was the coaching is getting the support for me to master my mind. And how can I master it if I can't see? If I can't see my blind spot? How can I master it if I don't think I have place to learn? How can I master it if I think I know it? There's no way I'm going to master it if I think I know it. And your clients will come to you with the same kind of patterns. So the first thing is going to happen for you guys is for you to experience this and buy into it, because through that experience, you'll get to see the power of this. And when you get buying into it, then you will have confidence. And when you have confidence, your energy will be different when you go to the marketplace. So it's about what stories are you going to change and what decisions will you change to get a better outcome for yourself. What's the stories you're going to change, and what is the change that will happen for you as an individual, so that you'll get a better outcome. This is the real destination, everyone. The coaching business is a subsequent of this. It will come. Believe me, it will come. Right? It's all about you being confident that this works. This process works. I can trust this process. If you trust it, you will behave differently with your clients. And when you start behaving differently, they will get a better outcome because the process will work. You're not getting in the way of that process. Now, in order for that to happen, we know it takes time, because transformation takes time. So for that, we've created the 5 arrows, the 5 rays, right? The peer-to-peer coaching is a crucial ray in that sunshine, because it gives you a chance to practice in a safe environment. It's okay if you make a mistake. It's okay to make a fool of yourself. It's okay to go over the top. It's all right, because you're in a safe environment. You're not asking a client to pay you. And the peer-to-peer coaching, what my personal experience, the best peer-to-peer coaching is where you have really gone into it as if it was a real business. So it's not. You can make mistakes, right? But you behave as if it's a made-up market. So how are you going to approach your clients? How will you How is Mariam going to find her client as like Mariam's a coach? How is Mariam going to find her client? This is the market. This is the market, right? There's 11 of you. How is Mariam going to find her client? How will they negotiate what the outcome is? How will they agree the conditions of that outcome? The more you behave professionally and you allow yourself to make mistakes in this make-believe pseudo market and get feedback from each other, the faster you'll grow. So here's the thing, you need to trust each other. So you need to build relationships. And one of the best things that happens in these programs is you're gonna build some amazing relationships. You guys are gonna be the best of friends because you're gonna be sharing things that you probably haven't shared with anyone else, because you've created the trust and you're in an environment where it's okay to make a mistake and you're all here to grow together, and you created a team together and you're all there to make each other successful. That means you might have to give some feedback that is difficult. If you don't give it, you are not giving to the other person what they need in order to grow. You may say it in a way that hurts them. Learn. They'll tell you, look, I wish you told me that in a different way. Learn from each other. This is the difficult. This is not easy. I'm not saying this is easy. What I'm saying is it is an immense catalyst to what you're about to start doing. And lots of side things will happen, out of the relationships, and you'll be working on topics that are important to you with one another. Like Will could be working with Melanie about how to actually go to the external market and sell. Melanie's a sales coach. Melanie, you're going to have lots of people wanting to work with you, right? And vice versa. There'll be people Melanie would want as a coach in order to shift Melanie's mindset in terms of being a better sales coach. You're here to support one another. Do what it is you're expecting to do outside in your business right here. Start becoming professional coaches in the way you handle it and give each other feedback. Find a way to make that feedback effective. That's how you're going to grow. You're going to practice what you're learning with each other. So this is the peer-to-peer coaching session today. We're going to dive into that.